Hi, I'm Tracy, and I would like to introduce you to our magnetic closure keepsake box. These gift boxes are a fun way of presenting a gourmet gift. They're extremely durable and can be folded flat with the mere lift of a magnetic tab that is on the inside of the box, and easily reassembled. The lid closes securely with a hidden magnet on the lid. Available in 2 sizes in your choice of red or navy, the gift boxes come with your logo or promotional message foil stamped in white on the lid. The boxes are then wrapped with a grosgrain ribbon in white. These keepsake boxes with a rich leather-like finish will be used for years. They are perfect for storing small, treasured items, either in the office or at home. Best of all, these boxes come filled with our incredible assortment of gourmet treats, including a variety of premium chocolates and fresh roasted nuts. Treat your valuable clients and treasured employees to this unique, delicious gift.